Good day. I greet you. Thank you very much for tuning in. We are back again. In the market. I go by the name Alpha Wolf Forex. You can also call me Muhomuti or simply Proqnosiz. Otherwise, we are tuned into Currency Market Execution, your channel with the difference. Leaders in Forex trading and education, where we cover everything to do with Forex, everything to do with indices, everything to do with the financial market. We cover education, we cover trading, psychology, we cover every aspect, and here we focus on improving you for you to become a better trader and for you to start transacting cash from the market on a daily basis. This is your channel. Last week we had some brilliant results, as we've had we had a very beautiful 3 weeks streak. Not that the other previous weeks we are not having a wonderful streaks, but since we opened, we've been hitting unbelievable levels with this Sunday analysis that we do. So I trust that. Matter of fact, I want you guys to start showing me and telling me how much you made. Tell me how much you made last week. Tell me how much you made the previous week. Tell me how much you made from this analysis that you are doing today, because I trust and I believe, just like we've been killing gold, that we're going to do the same today, because the market is trading in our ranges. I tried to clean the charts. I removed a lot of stuff. I wanted to start with a clean chart when I do this analysis, but just before I went back again and I was doing other analysis, so I just didn't remove them again. But yeah, it's cool. It's not a big deal. Let's just get it started. I removed a lot of stuff, it was just too clustered, so I end up putting it back again. But at least I removed some so that I can start and show you how I got to get to where I am, because I always like to show you the idea of where I am, how I got to get the analysis that I got, like what we've been doing. But some of the stuff that I hear on the chart, you'll realize that also they were here last week. I mean, the market didn't change much. We benefited a lot last week. I removed the profits that we took, but I'm sure you saw the video I shared. Guys, please do follow me on Instagram, Currency Market Execution, at Currency Market Execution. That's the channel that it was ran by, yes, but I'm running it now fully, so you'll start seeing me there, talking me there. I'm doing a lot of live videos, I'm doing a lot of content sharing. I'm even abandoned my personal Instagram. I'm now fully trying to run this Currency Market Execution. It's basically Alpha Wolf Forex who is running the channel, so do make sure you follow. We share a lot of things, and I want to start doing a live Zoom tutorials free of charge, just like we do distance free, so that you can get to ask questions, we can get to interact together, instantly. You don't have to post and wait for a response, so that you can just stop me and ask me a question, then I can answer you. So I'm still working on that. That's what I'm saying. Follow the channel. I will be doing a lot of updates through the channel at Currency Market Execution. Do follow it. Do follow the channel. Otherwise, yes, here we are. I shared the profits of the trade that we took from the analysis on Sunday. I shared it on Monday. I shared the whole video, and I'm sure you also share your profits with me, guys. Not the money, the results. That's what I mean. So okay, this is still our zone of interest. The market's still trading here, which is good for us. And then there was a triangle, an ascending triangle that was formed after we remember this move here. That's what we predicted last week, and then so we benefited 2 times from this move. We benefited 2 times. I removed. We benefited here, and then we also benefited here. Yes, we benefited 2 times from this move, and it's been good. It's been very good. So we saw it being broken, and it didn't serve as good support, because on the second try, so it didn't hold as a strong support, and then it has been a very good resistance, but it did not hold as a second attempt when the market broke it very strongly. I'm on a 4-hourly chart, and then it is currently being retested, and the market had to close. So let us go back to an hourly chart, because we don't want to go long term on this. As I've explained, some of the things, because this is an ongoing analysis, I'm trying to make it short. So please do check out the previous analysis. They are here on the channel, so you get to understand where we are. Not when I say nothing else changed, yes, the market moved, but based on what we analyzed last week and the week before that. So the market, as you can see, is still trading the same way, on the same range. It's still trading the same way. So I don't have to go back and just break it down again like what we did on the previous. So make sure you do not miss our analysis. Make sure you always tune in. Every Sunday we post them. We don't miss a day. So also don't miss a day. We are here on an hourly chart. You can see that it broke from this this channel, this ascending triangle that had formed, and then it retested it, and then you seeing a failed retest here, and then now it is continuously, and now it is ranging and ranging on this zone, our beautiful zone that has worked for us and gave us a lot of profit. That is why it's always good. If you don't understand or know what is a zone of interest, watch my videos, go through the channel. I teach a lot about this and then how I got to do this. I give you free knowledge, guys. I give you free stuff that you can use to benefit the market on your own. So make sure you watch the videos that we post. Make sure you follow each and every video so that you'll be moving in the same power, we're moving the same pace together. So okay, because I don't want to bore the guys who are continuing to follow by keep repeating the same thing over and over. So it is here in our zone of interest. It has failed the first retest attempt, so it is here. So we are waiting as usual for the market to open first, second hour, to see the pricing in of what happened during the weekend. And we know, like, things happened. There was inauguration and all those things do affect the gold. So we want to see how the market price it in, how it opens. But if the market opens the first, second hour and then it trades below this range, we know that there is a sell coming. Okay, we know that once the market, after the first, second hour, start opening and would open and go down and would try and retest this zone again and fail, we know for a certain that it's going to test this zone. It already tested this zone and failed to break it. So we know already that it's going to test this zone. So that will be our first opportunity that we're looking at. But also, when the market would open higher, it will have to test this zone again, which I believe most likely it's going to fail, retest here, probably range or test here again, and then come down here. That would be a delay of the market and test. This zone has to be tested again. This zone has to be tested again because it is another key zone or a zone of interest that is forming. It's another key zone or a zone of interest that is forming. So it has to be retested again to establish the zone. I just want to do this here. It is a zone of interest that is being formed. It is a zone of interest that is being formed, and the market has been trying to break this zone for such a long time. So I believe it will retest it before any other major move to the upside happens. It will retest. So most likely when the market opens, we are looking for a sell. There is a high probability of a sell opportunity presenting itself. That's what we are looking at. That's what we are looking for. That's what we are hoping to get when the market opens. But remember, we do not trade based on what we hope for. We trade based on what the market does. What I'm trying to say is, a buy for us, a buy opportunity comes with a lot of risk, with a possibility of a drawdown, and we're trying to limit the drawdown as much as possible. As we usually do, we're going to go again live tomorrow with the teams, and then we're going to give the exact value. I will analyze the market and check it again as the market opens, and then I'll give the exact entry point, exact exit point, and the exact take profit targets that we can look at when the market is already open, because we work on what the market is doing, not what we want, what the market is actually doing. That's how we react to it. So we are looking for the market to give us a sell opportunity. And there is another long-term, there is a big long-term opportunity that is forming. I will explain it. I will explain it tomorrow. there's a big long-term opportunity that is, you know, like a 3-4 day big trade that we can benefit from, that I see it is for me, but I will explain it tomorrow when I do the live with the team, like what you usually do. So that's what it is. And yes, we are looking for, on this gold, we're looking for the sale. We are looking for this sell happening here. It can happen in the midnight hours, or it can happen in the morning, based on the pricing in and how the market opened. There's a possibility that in my range, and then from there we start seeing the breakout of the opportunity earlier on around 7-8 o'clock in the morning, but we will just gauge the market and take it from there. So this is, I just gave you the direction to look for. So don't also be fooled when you see the market go up. Understand that around the zone 1864.86 in your chart, let me just take out this notification. Okay, just know that in your chart this can just be a temporary upside movement, though once the movement comes and close and open on 1867, we just know that the buy is going to go. But I would not buy personally. If you want to buy, you can buy in this move, but personally I will not buy because of the drawdown. I don't like trading with drawdown. There was a big possibility of a drawdown on a buy move, but I see a minimum drawdown possibility when I'm going for a sell. That's why I choose a sell on this. We've been benefiting a lot of sells actually. The previous, okay, the last trade I believe it was a buy, I just don't remember, but the previous two I think they were sells. So yes, the market has been very beneficial for us on the bearish side. So okay, fine. We are done with the gold. I'm not gonna go through Nasdaq, but I wanted you to see something. There is something that is amazing that happened in Nasdaq, and it's like, wow. Yes, we had a very good trade. I wasn't gonna do Nasdaq or open the Nasdaq chart, but I just said let me just open. Guys, Nasdaq is trading in its most highest point ever. Nasdaq is currently trading at 13411. I don't remember when was the last time Nasdaq was trading at the zone this amazing. You see, we had a beautiful trade during the week of Nasdaq. After we had this trade, remember I explained this trade last week what happened, and we had to close on minimum profit. And yeah, we closed on minimum profit because of the retest, and then we locked the profits, and after that the market reversed. We went out. This time it went so nicely and so powerful, we didn't even have to struggle that much, and we benefited a lot from this. But I was looking, I'm like, oh, should have put more, but it was a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio and it was good. And I saw the market continuing to shoot up, and the reason I stopped here, because this zone here, this zone, let me just do this, because this zone here was the previously high zone in long time. I don't know if Nasdaq has ever went past this zone, so that's why my exit point was here, because I was expecting after this that the market, even when I saw this rejection here, I was expecting the market is gonna go down, but the market didn't, and it continued to push up, and I was like, wow. I just wanted to show you. At the moment I don't like trading markets like this, but I will see, you know, because of Nasdaq has never traded these zones before, so we don't know. I'm always skeptical. I'm always expecting a big fall when pairs or the market reaches higher zone, just like what happened to gold. You saw what happened to gold a couple of months back. Is it 2-3 months back, or late last year? It reached around 2000, and then we had a big fall. Just now it's trading on the 18. It was, you can't believe that it was on the 2000 just 2-3 months ago, and then it had a big fall, you know. So also Nasdaq is here, but Nasdaq is one of those indices that is always creating new highs. It is always reaching greater heights because it is an index that is growing. The companies, they continue to grow. We are in the tech revolution, so technology is something that's going to continue to improve, so you expect that the shares of those tech companies will continue to grow and grow and grow and grow. It's just one of those things, you know. But right now I just wanted to show you that it is trading on the highs that it never reached before, and it is very interesting times. And yeah, I will go through it with the team tomorrow, but we are trading it with you know, with two open eyes, because of as for me personally, I like trading, or my strategies, or you know, price action basically is most of the time based on historical events. So when the market is trading on new highs and new levels, anything, you don't want to be an example that people use. So I just wanted to show you, and it's amazing. I love going through the market, and for me this is like mind blowing, and I was like, yo, Nasdaq is doing the things, guys, it's doing the things. Otherwise, my name is Proqnosiz. I go also by the name Proqnosiz. Otherwise, please, if you did not yet subscribe to our channel, now is the time for you to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell, because we always share good things. We're one big family, and I'm celebrating, guys. We reached 100. I did a video, I think last week, where I said thank you very much. I still say thank you even to you who's hitting that subscribe button right now. I appreciate it a lot. And then please hit the like if you enjoyed this video. Even if you didn't enjoy it, just hit that like. I mean, come on, that's the best support that you can give us. That's all that we ask for. Give us that like, subscribe to this channel so that you can get to receive information like this, guys. The EA, the profit machine EA, is doing the things. Follow my currency market execution Instagram handle. You can see the results, and a lot of people have came to testify of the just see it for yourself. Just get the robot, do it for yourself. Get the robot and start making money. And in 2 weeks, 3 weeks time, people have already made the money for the robot. I even feel like you guys still owe me, I feel cheated, but yes, people are making money, people are benefiting. Profit machine EA, it's out, it is doing wonders. I see this EA, taking more awards, reaching, I'm telling you, just get it and see what I'm talking about. Just get it and see what I'm talking about. It is available through the site, or you can use the number that is in the screen right now, if it is in the screen. And just communicate with one of the people. It probably would be me, and we'll lead you and guide you into how to get the EA. And also, if you want to be part of the teams, we have signals, we have courses. Just check out the website, guys. There's a lot of things, and I don't even know if you guys know, I've been saying for so many times, we have a free course in the website. There is a free course in the website. You guys can take the course. That we have a free public Telegram group. You guys can, though the public Telegram group, I will confess that in the past 2-3 weeks we did not have as much signals as before. But remember, the Telegram group, the weekly target is 500 points, and then for the other previous weeks we've been doing over 1,000 points. So I feel justified if 1-2 weeks we did not have a lot of signals also. But the target for, because all our groups, we have targets that we reach for or that we aim, but the target for the free group is 500 points per week, which is 2,000 points per month. So you might find that we made 2,000 points in the first week. It's a bit unfair for our paying members to to continue to push more points on a free channel. Do you understand what I mean? So that's why sometimes just think about it that way. But we try to help. If you can't afford our services, if you can't afford the courses, we give you a free course. If you can't afford the signals, we try to give you free signals. But also understand we do have paid services, so we're trying to balance this. For us, it's not about, especially like for me, this is not about money. I enjoy this, that's why I can do this on a Sunday, on a Tuesday, on a Thursday. I send free material on my Instagram, on Currency Market Execution Instagram. We do take questions, we do free tutorials, because it's not about money. I make enough money through the market, but to put the time of me not trading the market and giving this, it is time, it is time consuming, and also it is for you to value it, because when people do free things, they don't value it. I know even myself, I'm like that. Anything that I receive for free without working for it, I feel like, not that I feel I don't deserve, but I can't put value to it. Though you can never put value in knowledge, but if you put a little bit of sacrifice into something, you value it more. So that is why sometimes we do that. Otherwise, my name is Proqnosiz. I go by the name of Forex. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for joining us. If you still did not yet subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. Check me out on Instagram, Currency Market Execution, and check us also the page on Facebook, Currency Market Execution. Or you can follow me on my Instagram handles, or the Twitter, or the on my Facebook Proqnosiz. I'm not so active. So what I would suggest, I would say, like the Facebook Currency Market Execution, like and follow the Currency Market Execution on Instagram, and you can also follow my personal Instagram handle, which is at Proqnosiz. Otherwise, I love you so much. I will see you again on tomorrow, which is the team, and then for you on YouTube, I'll see you again on Tuesday. Otherwise, we are out.